Hey, this is Brian from DuraSlic Ceramic Coatings. Today we're doing a short video for glass and panel prep. DuraSlic glass and panel prep. If you really want to make sure you remove all impurities off the paint before you lay down your coating, you really need our glass and panel prep. Super easy to use, removes all silicones, does not give clear coat swell. Excellent product. Ensures that you're applying the coating directly to the paint. So the car we're using has already been washed, decon, and clayed to remove all the contaminants off the surface of the paint. You need to use our glass and panel prep to clean the paint of any leftover polish or silicones. In my opinion, this is the most important step before you lay down any coating to ensure that you're applying the coating directly to the paint with no impurity. So be very diligent in this step. All right, so we're gonna use DuraSlic panel prep to clear off this panel. We're gonna apply it to the towel first. I'm going to generously apply it directly to the panel. Okay, you can see it start finding stuff that it needs to get through. Okay, I'm going to take our prime towel, gently wipe it down. Okay, we're going to give it a chance to start evaporating away. You can see right here, it's starting to open up. Okay, give it about 30 seconds. I'm going to gently just clear off the panel. Okay, now you can see we have nothing between the coating and the paint. So why DuraSlic? Well, we've been doing coatings for over 20 years now in the electronics industry, and we've taken that technology and moved into the automotive industry. So we listen to our customers, and their feedback is super important in developing coatings or improving our existing coatings. We can make these changes on the fly because we actually make the coating, we employ the chemist, and we have it right here in America, so we can do it quickly. With DuraSlic, you're getting more than just a coating. We have really good customer service. In our test process, we're top in the industry. We're super hydrophobic. We have oleophobicity, which most coatings don't supply. Most of all, we're made here in America. Once again, I'm Brian from DuraSlic Ceramic Coatings. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below.